Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is me Carlos, and for today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make water bottle cap coasters with 7 water bottle caps the same size, acrylic paint, mud Podge, tacky glue, paintbrush, and some water. The first thing you want to do is you're going to want to get your 7 bottle caps and paint them however you want with acrylic paint. Once you are done, you should let them dry, and then you're going to be arranging them like this, forming a flower. And with your tacky glue, you're going to be applying tacky glue in the areas where the bottle caps touch. Your last step is to just add some mud Podge. And just let it dry afterwards. So the end result should look something like this. It should look really shiny, glossy after letting it dry, and it is good to go. You can place your beverages on top of it, and it should look pretty cool. Thank you guys so much for watching this video of me showing you guys how to make a coaster with water bottle caps. If you haven't done so already, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below what you guys think about this craft and anything you guys want to see in the future, possibly. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!